Good morning and welcome class 11th. So it's your first class of chemistry and your first lesson is some basic concept of chemistry. So there are so many concepts which are very useful in chemistry. First of all, today we are going to study about the significant figure. Significant figures. There are two terms. First is called precision, that is precise value, and it refers to the closeness of various measurements for the same quantity. Another word is accuracy. It is the agreement of a particular value to the true value of the result. Let me explain. Suppose there are three students. So a student A, a student B, and a student C. They are doing a particular experiment and their readings are, in first experiment student taken out reading 1.95 and in second experiment it comes to 1.93. B, while performing the same experiment, its first value comes to 1.94 and second value comes to 2.05. C, first experiment 2.1, in second experiment 1.99. Then the average values comes to 1.940, 1.995, 2.000. So we can say, suppose actually the value is 2, actual value. So A and B, they are precision while C is accurate. Since these two values are very close to the actual value of the experiment, so these values are called as precise value, while value of third student, it is accurate to the actual value, so it is called accurate. Now there are so many uncertainties. The uncertainty in the experimental or the calculated value, is indicated by mentioning the number of significant figures. So we have to study significant figure, and there are some rules related to it, and all these rules we have to keep in our mind. Now rules, first is all non-zero digits are significant. Example, suppose you have taken 285, so there are 3 significant figure. Another 0.25, 2 significant figure. Second, zeros preceding to first non-zero digit are not significant. Such zero indicates the position of decimal point. Decimal point. Let's take an example. 0.03. It has only one significant figure. One significant figure, because this 0 indicates only the position of this significant figure, that is 0 is not significant, only 3 is significant. Another example, 0.0052. It has only 2 significant figure. Now third point, zeros between non-zero digits are significant. Suppose we have taken an example 2.005. Remember this? So these two 0, they are also significant because they are lying in between two non-zero digits. So there are 4 significant figures. Now come to the next point. Fourth, zeros at the end or right of a number are significant, provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. Let's take an example. 0.200. So these two zeros are at the end, or we can say at the right side of the decimal point, so they are also significant. So there are three significant figures. But terminal zeros are not significant if there is no decimal point. Let's take an example. We can write 200. So in this 200, only 2 is significant, that is only one significant figure. One 100 point, we have placed 1 point here, so all these digits will be significant. 3 significant figure. 100.0 will have 4 significant figure. So such numbers are better represented in scientific notation, that is in the form of their powers. Suppose 100, it can be written as 1 into 10 to the power 2. For 1 significant figure, 1.0 into 10 to the power 2 for 2 significant figure, and 1.00 into 10 to the power 2 for 3 significant figures. Now the next point is counting number of objects. Counting number of objects such as 1 pen, 2 rubber, they all have infinite number of significant figure. Since they are exact numbers. So, one pen and two rubbers can easily be written as 1.00000000, that is, we can increase in infinite time, but 1 is only 1, right. Similarly, two rubbers, that is 2.000, whatever their number are. Suppose you have taken 20 bags, so this can be written as 20.0000. So these are infinite numbers, we can increase. So to overcome this problem, we have to write all of these in scientific notation, right. Suppose 4.01 into 10 to the power 2, it has 3 significant figures. So this is all about the significant figures. So you have to practice from your NCERT book or other any reference book. Thank you.